At this point, we've looked at about a half dozen patterns, and we still haven't found one that fails safe, except for the 2 of 3 pattern, but that one had some hand-waving about making the voter safe. So now let's look at a pattern that does high safety integrity and actually is guaranteed to fail safe. This is a 2-channel pattern, but it's arranged as a 2 of 2 pair. What that means is that there's a first CPU that's high SIL, that's channel 1. There's a second independent CPU that's high SIL, that's channel 2. They're cross-checked, so both pieces of hardware take a look at the other piece of hardware and see what's going on. If either one of them is unhappy, it brings the pair down, so that enforces fail silent operation. Again, the 2 channels cross-check, and if either one detects a mismatch, they cause both to go silent. For software, they're both running the exact same software, so this isn't really about software isolation. What it's about is 2 channels cross-checking, so if there's something wrong, they both fail silent. The pro for this pattern is that it's the simplest high SIL pattern, and it's suitable for life-critical applications such as SIL 3 and SIL 4. There are a couple of really big cons for this. The first is that it protects against hardware faults, but not software faults, because both units are running the same software. So that means the software must be at the highest SIL for the system. So if you have a SIL 3 system, both CPUs have to run every line of code at SIL 3, and if you have a SIL 4 system, both units have to run every line of code at SIL 4. So that makes the software development potentially much more expensive than if you had some sort of partitioning, which will come later. The other big con is that this is a fail-silent system. So you're spending 2 CPUs, you're getting redundancy, but you're not improving availability. In fact, you're working against availability because there's 2 units and twice as many things to fail. However, it is giving you fail-silent operation, and if you have a system where fail-silent does give you safety, that's a huge win.